Passing up on my old ways, I can't blame you now. No. Passionate from miles away. Passive with the things you say. Passing up on my old ways, I can't blame you now. No. Listen, harder building trust from a distance. I think we should rule out commitment for now, 'cause we're falling apart. Leaving, you're just doing that to get